Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making rice pudding. You're going to need 6 cups of milk, 1 cup white rice, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup heavy cream, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla, 2 eggs and 2 yolks, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and chopped walnuts for garnish. We're going to start by almost boiling milk, so cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're going to add sugar, add butter, add salt and cinnamon, and then add white rice. Heat the mixture to medium heat and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat down to simmer and cover it and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure you're stirring it occasionally every few minutes just to make sure it doesn't burn on the bottom. Cook it until it's thick and creamy. Then take it off the stove and let it cool down for about 15 minutes. We just don't want to have it super hot when we add eggs and rest of the ingredients. Then add 2 whole eggs, then add 2 yolks, mix the eggs well, then add heavy cream, and vanilla. And mix it well. Then we're going to start adding a little bit at a time and make sure you're constantly mixing it. This is optional. At this point you can add half a cup raisins and cook it for about 5 more minutes. Once rice is thickened, take it off the stove and cool it down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then transfer it to serving dishes. Gently sprinkle cinnamon as garnish. This is also optional. You can put walnuts as garnish as well. You can serve them as is, or you can set them in the fridge to cool them down. It came out incredible. This is one of my favorite desserts. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.